they go. Double trouble. And Shiloh's going after them.
He's getting in on the exercise too.
And here they come down the raceway. Stay there, Jane. Why are you blocking it? There goes Shiloh and Ellie, and Junior's on this side of the fence. Oh yeah, they're getting excited now. Got her head up there. Look at her go. Look at her go.
The donkeys do that.
And here come the two guys. Little kicking and a bucking. They seem to be slowing down now. Well, there you go. A little squeak from Junior.
Yes, he's talking to his mother over
A
here.
little squeak from Junior.
Mama's coming, darling. Yeah, Mama's coming.
Oh yeah, he's starting to make some noise now.
Cute. Hey, precious.
Is that it, Junior? Are you done for the day?
Hi, Charlotte.
Huh?
Hi, Shasha.
Oh, no, not yet. I think his testosterone's building up. And here he comes.
Fresh. Look at him.
He's going to get fresh with his aunt over there.
She's going to get even with him. Give him what for? Good girl, Ellie.
No peace for poor Ellie with him around.
Sweet boy.
And we'll leave you with Ellie and Louise just quietly grazing, trying not to bother anybody. And Junior trying to kiss his mother through the fence.
He loves his mommy. Good video.